Ron Mispiel here, and today we're going to do how to repair a broken door latch. We have some door lock rod assortment and a piece of metal. And now let's get this door off and see what we got. Now here is the door. Here is my problem. I have the door arm goes into this, supposed to be a little hole right here, but it broke. Now I've tried drilling other holes and it just doesn't work because it doesn't give me the room I want. So what I'm going to do is take that piece of metal, cut a little piece of metal, drill some holes, screw it in, and I'm going to drill a hole in the piece of metal, and that is going to be my door lock, the little hole that the rod goes in. At the same time, I need to repair my actuator. This is what activates my alarm. The top one locks and shuts the door, and this is loose, so I'm gonna have to tighten that up. So let's do one step at a time. And here is what it looks like. Now I drilled 2 holes, and I have this stuck in some of the holes now. There it is. So this is what I'm working with. There you go. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna get that piece of metal, cut it like right here, use a screw to hold the metal in, and then I'm gonna drill a hole in with the metal, and it's gonna be a new hole. And that is hopefully how I'm gonna fix my car. So let's get started. Alright, first I am going to measure what I need. Now, here's the door out of the door pocket. Now, what I need to do is measure this so when it opens.
What you doing? That over here?
So when it opens, the metal stays right there. So, let's see. So if I do it there, so I'm going to cut it there and there. So I'm going to cut that much off. What I'll do is I'm going to drill holes, so I'm going to put it here. So when it does open the door, it won't interfere with any of the locking. So, we're going to use our vise. There we go. Now we're going to cut a piece of metal off that we need. And then we want to get the same size on the other end. Let's do another clean cut. We'll mark this right there, and we'll cut this one. And these are going to replace the plastic that holds the door lock rod into the locking mechanism. And here are my 2 pieces, which we are going to then put here, here, and here. And we're going to drill a hole there, and then we'll see what we have next. So let's do that right now. Now what? Now what I'm going to do is I want to place that there, place this one here, I got my little nut and bolt. Let's see if this works. There we go. And this is going to replace the original hole that was there. Alright, let's see if I can do this. This is all made up as I go along. It's been thought out, but I figure if this works, it'll be a good YouTube video to show somebody. Helps if you use the right tools. There we go. Okay, so now that is going to replace the original hole right there. So I need to drill this, and let's see what we got next. Alright, there is my makeshift hole. Opens up, should be good. And if I can find the little door latch to fit in that, I should be good to go. Now let's bring this over to the door. Alright, now the question is, now we have to get a door latch rod. We have to find, there's Connor, say hi, my son. Now we got to find one of these to fit inside that hole. And let me pause and do it right now. Now, what I need to do is find out, I need to get this hole just right. That's going to need a bigger hole, and that's going to need a bigger hole. So I got to get this just right. So let me go make this hole just a little bit bigger, and then we can latch it on there and fix this door lock. Alright, now we're going to put this on the hook. Let's hope we drill the hole. Let's see. It's a little hole like that. I'm sure you just snap it on. Alright, so that goes in. There, that's in. There we go. And this is what it looks like now. There, so we are going to attempt to put the door back in. Let's see. Oh, there it is. We're going to try to put the door back in to this. Where is it? There it is. There's our new hole. So let's just hope this snaps in. 1, 2, 3. And it gives us plenty of room. Actually, you know what? I think we're going to put the clip in first, and then we'll put the rod in the clip. Yeah, I think that's the only way we can do it. So, we're going to put the clip in the... Alright, now let's see if this works out. Okay. Problem is, when I first went to fix the thing, I didn't hold this and it snapped off. So we just gotta move this around. We gotta put this in, move this sideways. Now we have everything's all connected again. Now let's see if this works. And let's just put the door back. While I was paused, I fixed the I had to fix the door lock to make sure that was working. Hopefully I fixed it. Just put the door lock back. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we will know as soon as we get everything screwed in. I'll just screw 2 screws in, and then we will see if this is all for naught. And hopefully, the only alternative is to buy a whole new Dodge door. This is my 07 Dakota, which I would rather not buy the whole door if this works out. But let me just screw this one screw in. That way we have a solid door, and we will see if this works. Now, let's close the door and cross your fingers. Okay, now the problem was inside. Open up the indoor, and it worked. Open up from indoor. You know what? I think we fixed it. Now, the only problem is the door handle. It's not as smooth as I would like, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. Shut the door. And it works from inside. And there we have the door fixed. Alright, hope this video helps you. Hopes if you ever run into a problem where that little piece of plastic breaks, you get a piece of metal, you get a screw, and you could fix it yourself. Rodimus Bill, my first car repair, signing off. Rodimus Bill back. One little thing I noticed, the wires were sticking out too far. It kept on hitting the door. So I had to cut that metal off right here, and that one I just turned. So now it's got plenty of room for the door, and it works. So Rodimus Bill out.